the best system to make high-ticket affiliate sales. Hey everyone. So, we can really see how desperate you are to earn a lot of money online. But, wait. Do you have your own product? No? Then how are you going to make money online? Don't worry, guys, when we have the webinars. Webinars can make you thousands of dollars you can't even imagine. The Big Ticket Affiliate Platinum is a kind of online training course that comes with the solutions to all your problems and will help you learn online money making and earn high-ticket commissions. So, first of all, let's find out why an affiliate marketer should go for super affiliates. Why should you opt for super affiliates? You're always looking for new and better ways to generate commissions as an affiliate marketer. And if you're like most affiliate marketers, you've probably considered working with super affiliates at some point. So, what exactly is a super affiliate? A super affiliate is an affiliate marketing who has moved beyond chasing low-effort affiliate marketing commissions in scattered niches. Instead, they focus on building high-quality affiliate relationships with a select few merchants to generate higher commissions. There are several advantages to working with super affiliates. First, they tend to be more experienced than regular affiliates and better understand how to generate traffic and conversions. This means they can often provide valuable insights into your marketing efforts. Second, super affiliates tend to be more selective about the merchants they work with. This means they're more likely to only promote products and services they believe in and benefit their audience. As a result, you can be sure that any traffic they send your way is high quality and likely to convert. Finally, super affiliates tend to have large audiences of their own. This allows you to tap into their audience and significantly increase your reach. 4 fundamentals of high-ticket affiliate marketing commissions. Now, it's time to break down the main fundamentals of a high-ticket affiliate marketing commission. Very first, we have a CPA. CPA, or cost per action, is a type of affiliate marketing where the affiliate is paid based on an action taken. This could be a sale, a lead, or even just a click. CPA structures are mostly used to help businesses generate leads and sales, and they can be very profitable for the affiliate. To be successful with a CPA, it's important to choose the right offer and promote it well. You also need to have a good understanding of how the CPA process works so that you can track your progress and optimize your campaigns. You need to find a CPA offer that you can promote. There are many different places to find these offers, but a CPA network is the best place to start. After you've joined a network, the next step is to start promoting the offer. The best way to do this is by using pay-per-click advertising. This type of advertising allows you to target specific keywords and only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Once you've started generating some leads and sales, you must track your progress. The final step is to optimize your campaign to make even more money. This involves testing different offer types and traffic sources. Once you've found a winning combination, you can then scale up a campaign to make even more money. High ticket. High ticket means where the affiliate is paid higher than usual rates to close expensive services or expensive products, for instance, coaching programs or expensive memberships. The most popular high ticket items are in the business and investment space, but there are high ticket items in nearly every industry. As an affiliate, if you can get comfortable with marketing and selling high ticket items, you can make a lot of money. The commissions are higher, so your earning potential is greater. Of course, it's not always easy to sell high-ticket items. They're expensive, so people are often hesitant to buy them. And, because they're pricey, the competition is often stiffer. But, if you can find a way to market and sell high-ticket items successfully, the rewards can be great. Physical product commissions. With a physical product commission structure, affiliates are given a commission rate for moving a single or set of physical products. This is a great way to make money if you have a large audience or platform and can generate a lot of traffic. However, it's important to note that physical product commissions can vary greatly. So, be sure to do your research before partnering with any affiliate program. Monthly recurring commission. Not all affiliate marketing programs are created equal. In fact, some of them are downright terrible. But, there are also a few that are absolutely amazing. One of the best affiliate programs out there is the monthly recurring commission program from High Ticket Commissions. This program is designed to help you make monthly money by promoting high-ticket products through webinars. And it's one of the most generous affiliate programs, with commissions starting at 50% and going up to 65%. The Big Ticket Affiliate Platinum Overview. As an affiliate marketer, it is essential to have access to high-quality products that offer big commissions. The Big Ticket Affiliate Platinum system gives you this opportunity. This system provides you with a high converting sales funnel, top tier products, and high traffic strategies. With these tools, you can earn significant commissions on each sale. In addition, the system provides you with a community of other successful affiliate marketers. This community will support and help you to grow your business. If you want to increase your earnings as an affiliate marketer, then the Big Ticket Affiliate Platinum Training Course is the perfect solution for you. Valuable features of Big Ticket Affiliate Platinum. This course actually doesn't require any skill or expertise to get started. Even though this is the best platform for complete beginners to learn affiliate marketing, let's list down a few most highlighted features of this course. Provides access to meta traffic where you learn to generate leads on YouTube. Pre-built mega funnel for affiliate marketers. Allows creating your own list with the system. Provides access to high converting webinars. Commissions up to 40 to 65%. Pre-integrated GTW, including all advanced tools without any need for a license. Provides valuable templates and other marketing materials. Guys, that was all for today's video. Hopefully, the video was helpful for you. If yes, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Remember to click the link below the video to learn how to access the Big Ticket Affiliate Platinum. We will be back with more valuable content. See you guys, till then take care and bye bye.